Is it too early to have pumpkin spice everything? I've been having so much fun making pumpkin spice everything. And now I've heard this great idea of making pumpkin spice household cleaner. So then when I clean every day and all the time, my house can smell like pumpkin spice too. So this is, I'm gonna try it. You use I love Young Living, and I love their Thieves cleaner. You put 2 capfuls in a 2-cup spray bottle. I already have 1 capful and some water because that's my normal ratio, so just gonna make it stronger. It's such a good deal, I don't mind. Okay, and then you add some essential oils that smell like pumpkin spice. Orange, 10 drops. There we go, and cinnamon bark. Oh, orange and cinnamon smell so good together anyway. 5 of cinnamon bark, and then 2 of nutmeg, clove, and ginger. Oh, I love all of these. And I've also been making pumpkin spice body wash, pumpkin spice hand soap, pumpkin spice mask sprays, room sprays, and then I'm gonna just kind of mix it up. I think I need to add a little more water, but I can't wait. Cleaning away. What kind of pumpkin spice things have you been making? Because I want more ideas. Oh, pumpkin spice creamer. I'm trying to think. Pumpkin spice perfume. What else can we do? Pumpkin spice. Oh, pumpkin spice pine cones. There's a lot of pine cones because I have pine trees by me. Well, let me know what kind of pumpkin spice and what fall decor you are doing for your house, because I'm done with summer. Talk to you guys later.